Hello everyone, this is Justify Speaks and today we're trying roast Kimbap. So roast Kimbap is a food that my cousin is making. So I saw her posting this food, so I ordered from her. And if you want to order this Kimbap, I think this is 120 pesos per pack of 12 pieces of Kimbap, so 10 pesos each. And I'll put her Facebook account on the description box below so that you could order from her. She's doing a delivery within Binangonan since she has a small electric motorcycle. So let's try it. It includes half calamansi and soy sauce. I think this is soy sauce. So let's fry it. So this is actually the best part of the Kimbap is the edge. So these are the edge. It has cucumber, lettuce, egg, rice. I'm not sure what meat this is. Carrots. So looks like the rice is really Japanese rice. It's short grained rice. And obviously it is wrapped in seaweeds. So let's try it. So here it is. Just a dip from the soy sauce and the calamansi. The combination of the meat, it's a common Kimbap that you could buy. So right now I think there's no Kimbap place here in Binangonan, so this is the first time I tried Kimbap again. But I tried Kimbap from supermarkets and food courts. This is a good sample of the Kimbap. The healthy feeling of eating vegetables and the oceany taste of the seaweed is a really good combination. It's like eating a whole Japanese bento of eel, if you have tried that one, because yeah, there's meat but it doesn't taste more of a meat, but because of the seaweed it tastes more of a fish. So everything is subtle, the same way as Japanese and Korean do their Kimbap. So this is a really good one. So if you want to try it, be sure to message her, and she will do orders I think every day depending on the availability, because right now MECQ started again in Binangonan. So limited stocks of food, maybe that will hinder a lot of home cook to make their products. So be sure to support the home cooks. They are trying to survive through this pandemic, and yeah, thank you Ate Labi. So I just ate lunch and I'm kind of full right now, so I'll reserve one for my dinner. I'll give the remainder of one back to my sister. So again, if you're not yet a subscriber, be sure to subscribe. If you like this video, be sure to press the thumbs up button. And if you have any other comments, suggestions, and recommendations, be sure to put that on the comment box below. If you have any recommendations of food that delivers here in Binangonan, be sure to inform me so that I could order from them. That's all for now. Thank you and God bless.